Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're upgrading your travel experience with a guide to the best smart luggage. Whether you're a frequent flyer or planning your next vacation, these high-tech suitcases come with features like built-in GPS, charging ports, and app-controlled locks, making travel more convenient than ever. We'll be showcasing top models that offer durability, style, and smart functionality. Ready to find the perfect smart luggage for your trips? Let's dive in. And as always, all the product links are in the description below. Number 5. TravelPro Platinum Elite Softside Expandable Carry-On Luggage. The TravelPro Platinum Elite Softside Expandable Carry-On Luggage is a top-tier travel solution for frequent flyers, providing an optimal blend of style, durability, and convenience. This 19-inch carry-on, part of the Platinum Elite series, is built to cater to both men and women traveling internationally. Available in a range of colors including vintage gray, Bordeaux red, dark blue, pilot green, rich espresso brown, shadow black, and true navy blue, this suitcase ensures you're traveling in both style and comfort. The luggage features the Precision Glide system, ensuring effortless movement with its 8 MagnaTrack self-aligning spinner wheels. Combined with the PowerScope handle, which is height-adjustable and features a comfortable contour grip, it provides superior control and maneuverability in busy airports and narrow spaces. This carry-on is expandable, allowing for extra packing space when necessary. The inclusion of an external USB port and a dedicated power bank pocket ensures that your electronic devices stay charged throughout your journey. Note, power bank is not included, but the setup makes it easy to add your own. The interior is thoughtfully designed with a tie-down system that secures your belongings, along with built-in accessory pockets for organized packing. Additionally, it includes a TSA-compliant removable quart-sized wet pocket, perfect for toiletries and other essentials. Built to last, this luggage is constructed from high-density nylon fabric with a DuraGuard coating to resist stains and abrasions. Number 4. Forward X Ovis Auto-Follow Suitcase Carry-On. The Forward X Ovis Auto-Follow Suitcase is a groundbreaking piece of luggage that combines cutting-edge technology with stylish design. Winner of the Edison Award and recognized at CES 2020, this 20-inch carry-on in red dot blue is engineered for the modern traveler who values both innovation and convenience. Constructed from Macrolon polycarbonate, this suitcase offers an impressive balance of strength and lightweight design. It is lighter than aluminum, yet more durable than ABS, ensuring it withstands the rigors of travel. The glossy finish not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also provides waterproof protection, making it an ideal choice for any journey. The suitcase features a sophisticated fabric lining and an elegantly simplistic design that is both functional and stylish. With advanced algorithms and an obstacle avoidance system inspired by self-driving technology. Number 3. KLQD-MS Laptop Suitcase. The KLQD-MS Laptop Suitcase is a versatile travel companion designed for modern travelers who need convenience, security, and style. Available in 2 sizes, 20 inches and 24 inches, this suitcase is perfect for both short trips and longer journeys. Its aluminum frame and innovative front-opening design make packing and accessing your belongings a breeze. Made from high-quality PC polycarbonate material, the suitcase is both lightweight and durable, designed to withstand the rigors of travel. The aluminum frame enhances the structural integrity, ensuring that your belongings are protected throughout your journey. The suitcase features a front-opening design that allows for easy access to your laptop and other items without needing to unpack the entire case. Number 2. Mixi Carry-On Luggage. The Mixi Carry-On Luggage combines modern design with practicality, making it an ideal travel companion for today's on-the-go lifestyle. Available in smoke white, along with other stylish colors like avocado green, blackish green, lark yellow, and rock gray, this 20-inch suitcase is not just about aesthetics. It's engineered for functionality and durability. Crafted from 3-layer Covestro PC, this suitcase is exceptionally scratch-resistant. The manufacturing process adheres to stringent quality control standards, ensuring that the luggage performs at a high level throughout its life cycle. Number 1. Airwheel SE3S Smart Rideable Suitcase. The Airwheel SE3S Smart Rideable Suitcase is a revolutionary travel companion that seamlessly blends the convenience of luggage with the fun of a scooter. Designed for travelers who value mobility and innovation, this electric luggage scooter is perfect for navigating busy airports and urban environments. Its sleek silver finish not only looks stylish but also signifies its advanced technology and features. The Airwheel suitcase easily transitions between ride-on mode and pull-behind mode. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.